Since their creation over 3,000 years ago, many people have experimented with kite transportation. Two people that have performed these kinds of experiments are Lawrence Hargrave and Samuel Franklin Cody. Nowadays, kites are sometimes used in place of weather balloons, along with their recreational uses. The kite I built has a pyramidal shape and was made out of strings, straws, and tissue paper. In the future, kites may help produce wind energy and solar energy. Sky lanterns were the forerunners of hot air balloons and have been around for thousands of years. The first untethered manned flight was achieved in 1783 with a hot air balloon. Hot air balloons are commonly used for recreation and advertising. My balloon is made out of tissue paper and is too small to carry an onboard heat source, like other balloons. Innovations in the future will allow balloons to be able to fly higher, longer, and be cheaper than modern balloons. Leonardo da Vinci created sketches of a flying machine that could achieve vertical flight. This was called the aerial screw. The first successful helicopter flight was in 1936. Helicopters are used commonly for transportation and firefighting, but sometimes are used for construction because of their vertical flight capabilities. In the future, small helicopters may be developed and used often because of their small flight space capabilities. The Chinese invented gunpowder in the 9th century, which led to be the propellant in the first rockets. The first liquid fuel rocket was launched in 1926 by Robert Goddard. Rockets have many uses, including space exploration and defense. In the future, rockets may make human travel to Mars a reality. It makes space travel as common as airplane travel. Orville and Wilbur Wright created the first successful airplane, the Wright Flyer, which flew on December 17, 1903. 44 years later, Chuck Yeager broke the sound barrier in the rocket-powered Bell X-1. Airplanes are now used worldwide for transportation, recreation, and other uses. My glider was made out of balsa wood and paper. It flew relatively well on the first flight. Future planes will be able to fly much faster and may be capable of space flight.